Welcome to video 1 of the Anubis mask kit build. This is a model I've been asked quite a bit online, when's it going to be ready for as a kit, and it's not at the point now where the kit's complete. I've cast the first one, which I'll be starting tomorrow, so the next video I'll be showing all the bits and pieces. I just want to show you guys a couple of the reference images that I used to actually get to where I am at the moment. And I really like the look of this Anubis from when I saw the movie the first time, Stargate. So this is a photo of the actual mask used in the movie. I've got a video clip I'll show you a little bit in a short while, where you see it the first time. But this is how it looks. I used a lot of reference images from the movie, and I found a lot of online photos that I used as a reference. So I'll show you what I used. This is the actual one I use as a reference. It is the actual mask from the movie, and looks very nice, very aggressive looking. And then these are the 3 images I used in the program. The program I used is called ZBrush. It's a 3D sculpting software. So as you can see, it's very nice images, a lot of detail. Everything is sculpted into the 3D model, and that came out in the print. Came out very well. If I zoom in on this one, you'll see all the little stripes and all the little markings. I had to make this in separate sections because of the undercuts. So having this come out as for a mold is not very easy. It's a bit of a hassle. So I've made different sections. This consists of 8 sections. So without the stand. So you have your head, top collar, middle collar, lower collar, shoulder, and then your chest plate, and then your 2 ears, and the stand. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9 with the stand. Okay, so it's 9 parts. Okay. The stand, I'm looking at doing this chevron bit or similar as a stand. I'll see, it might not be exactly the same. I'll still play around with it, but I haven't done the stand yet. So that'll look quite nice. And then I still need to do here's another image of it. You'll notice on the sides there's these tassels hanging down. I haven't done those yet. I'll make them out of plastic, and then I'll print these holders. So if I go over here, you can see the holders that it clips onto. Okay, there is markings on the actual sculpt where to make the holes if you want to insert them. It does not need to be done, but it will add more realism to the final model. Another thing I think will be challenging for me specifically is the paint job, because there is a lot of different colors on here. We've got silver, green, brown, rust, blue, and more blue over here, greenish, red, here less. So I think there's more colors on. You can see more over here. There's a blue on the back. Okay, it's quite a large variety and a lot of mixing to be done. So I'm hoping I can get this look. I'm going to try my best. Okay, and the ears are also movable, so they do go up and down, although in the movie they open as they move up and then close as they move down. I will show the movie clip in a second. There's another chevron, not as nice as the other one. And then I got the renders from the program ZBrush that I used. These are the renders I did in 2014. Okay, so this is all sculpted in. I'll try to get as accurate to the background image as I could. So I got a turntable image. So that's a turntable. So that should be your final look of your kit when it's done. And here is the unpainted turntable. And you can see everything sculpted in. So none of the details done post printing. Everything's as is, straight out of the printer. And then the video clip. Let me find the video clip. Okay, so you'll see here. Let's go forward here. So here we go. Looks up, and then as it turns around, his ears open up. Okay, so mine doesn't open. Or close, should I say? They open all the time. So, but they can be moved up and down. The head can turn if you do a bit of sanding. Okay. So so in the next video, I'm going to show you guys the parts and where to sand for the seams on the actual kit, and then I'm going to give it a paste coat, and then I'll continue from there. Okay, till the next one. Thanks. Cheers.